In my previous video, we explored installing Zen Browser on Windows. Today, let's bring that modern browsing experience to Raspberry Pi. I'll guide you through the installation process, share my personal experience, and highlight some standout features of Zen Browser on this compact device. Alright, let's get started. To install Zen Browser, I first open Pi apps. If you don't know how to install Pi apps, check out my other videos in the channel. From there, I go to the internet section and then to the browser section, and inside the browser section I look for Zen Browser, and from there we can see Zen Browser is the last choice, and I go ahead and double click on it. Okay, now all I have to do is to click on install and wait for Pi apps to install Zen Browser. Based on my experience, the amount of time it takes for Zen Browser to get installed is dependent on your internet connection. For me, it took around 10 to 15 minutes because I had a slower internet connection. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and keeps me motivated to bring you more content. So once the Pi apps finish installing Zen Browser, I closed it out and headed back to the Raspberry Pi OS desktop. I then opened Zen Browser by clicking on its icon. Once it's open, you can see the clean welcome screen that lets you quickly import bookmarks and customize the appearance with your preferred color themes. As I continued exploring Zen Browser on my Raspberry Pi, I was immediately impressed by its performance and user-friendly design. The browser speed is remarkable, with page loading smoothly, which enhances the overall browsing experience. Moving on, the interface features a minimalist design which allows for easy navigation and quick access to essential features, which I think is really good compared to other browsers available for Raspberry Pi. At the end, if I want to talk about my experience with Zen Browser on Raspberry Pi, it's positive. Its combination of speed, design, and efficient functionality makes a superior choice for Raspberry Pi users seeking a modern browsing solution. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more tech insights and tutorials. Your support enables me to continue exploring and sharing the latest technology, helping you make informed decisions about the tools and software that best suit your needs. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content.